storm totals so far anywhere between 4 to 8 inches with more falling. By tomorrow morning, again from this storm that we've been seeing over the past 24 hours, potentially a foot in some areas, especially as we go towards the Cottonwood Canyons. Now, taking a look outside right now at our Old Mill camera, as we can see near the 6200 South exit coming off I-215, snow still falling. And as you move up in elevation with some colder roads, we're definitely seeing some of that snow sticking to some of the roadways, and it's going to be a concern as we progress throughout the rest of the afternoon into the evening as temperatures do drop. Currently, as you can see in Salt Lake City, we're in the low to mid 30s. As temperatures, near freezing, we're seeing that snow and beginning to spread as it's been in place here throughout Weber, Davis, Tooele County, now moving further south through the Salt Lake Valley into Utah County. So this storm, we're not done as of yet. And thus, we still have a winter weather advisory for the mountains and the valleys here across northern through central Utah. This will be in effect until 9 p.m. We will start to see some improvements. Again, as the further south you go, we'll be holding on to those showers up until about 6, 8 o'clock, or between 6 and 8 o'clock, and then tapering off here in the overnight hours. But here, as we're moving through the afternoon commute and early evening commute, we will still see that snow falling, particularly as we look Salt Lake, Tooele, and Utah counties here for the next couple of hours. Now, I'm transitioning here, winter storm watch, as we're getting ready for our next storm. This will be in effect as we go into tomorrow night through early Monday morning. It's just a watch right now. There'll be some updates and potentially looking at some additional winter weather advisories or maybe even some winter storm warnings. It's all depending on the amount of snow we're looking to get with expected accumulations, where right now the preliminary numbers are this. As we look towards tomorrow night through early Monday morning, 12 to 18 inches for the Wasatch Mountains with some additional snow accumulations for the Cottonwood Canyons. Central Mountains 6 to 12 inches, again through central into the southern mountains, kind of in that range there. Northern valleys 4 to 8 inches. All in all, this is a bigger snow event here across the state, and it will be impacting us statewide, as even seeing a chance of seeing some snow showers even towards St. George. Right now, though, the focus is just across northern Utah. As we take a look at radar, you're seeing the blue again through the Salt Lake Tooele Valley, moving up through Davis County. So from Layton all the way through Bountiful, tracking through I-15, I-80 as well, the eastbound route of I-215, with some light snow showers near Point of the Mountain all the way down through Provo. But again, we'll see kind of a focus where this storm begins to shift southward and Utah County getting into the mix and then turning towards central Utah. So we're holding on to those light snow showers here still for the next couple of hours. But again, it's moving further southward. We're starting to see some improvements as you move further north with just a few light snow showers. It looks like near Brigham City and moving further south, but really it's starting to taper off as we look across the northern Wasatch Front through the northern valleys. Let's talk about the timing of our next storm, where this storm, again, hanging on here through the early evening hours, but seeing some improvements. But we'll still hold on to some light snow showers across the mountain areas, which means for canyon travel come tomorrow morning, potentially still could be an issue, but the valleys, it should be dry. We've got partly cloudy skies here across northern Utah. Looks like mostly sunny conditions there across southern Utah. Getting ready for our next storm. As we look at the timing of it all, Saturday afternoon we're okay, but once we hit Saturday evening, we start to see the snow filling in here across northern Utah overnight. The front tracks in, heavier snow showers, snow continuing on through most of the day Sunday, and then pushing through central, southern, southwestern Utah. Again, St. George, you're seeing that blue, that snow, and then moving over towards southeastern Utah, where we're going to see a continuing circulation across southeastern Utah heading into Monday morning. We could see some lake effect as well with some colder air tracking through portions of the Salt Lake Valley. That means at least on the west side towards Tooele County, we could see maybe a little bit of lake effect snow. But light snow showers here, tapering off. Tomorrow, we get the break up until the evening. You're definitely looking at some colder temperatures where we're seeing highs actually close to average for this time of year. Now for St. George, you're going to get hit with a mixture of some rain and snow. Monday, Tuesday, you're okay. Wednesday, we start to see some changes, and then the Thursday and Friday, we start to introduce another chance of seeing some showers. It's going to be a colder week, though, with highs only in the 40s. Look at for northern Utah, the snow Sunday into early Monday morning. Then Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday with more snow for Thursday, and continue to see some snow showers into Friday. But look at these cold temperatures, near 30 degrees, overnight lows in the teens. And next weekend, it's going to get really cold with maybe overnight lows near 0. We'll talk more about that. Plus, you just have to be careful on the roads, but we're getting the snow as it will continue on here for the next several days.